Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, this is your first time, thank you for selecting this video. Welcome to Jazz Journey. As you can see in the title, I'm so excited to be sharing my first unboxing. It's my first subscription, but this one was actually sent to me free for me to give my honest review and to explain to you how it worked for me, if it was easy for me to do this type of subscription, and how you could do it too if you're very interested on finding out more about luxury scent box, or actually is a fragrance subscription. Just keep on watching. Well, I am so excited, and I'm a type of person that if I get a request or something to do free and I'm not connected to it, or it's not something that I'm interested in, I really won't do it. But if you've seen some of my videos, I really love perfumes, and that's one of the reasons why I really like Birchbox, because I usually get fragrances sent to me, and to be honest, I'm always in a quest looking for a fragrance, and anytime I see somebody uploading a video that has to do with fragrance, I'm in. I love it. So this one, I was very impressed when they reached out to me, and I just let them pick a perfume for me because I'm very open. I really love perfume, and I feel like it's hard for me to not like one, I think. So I was excited, and I want to see which one they're gonna send, so I want to open it with you. But I did open the package, and I shared it with you that it looks blue. It was really nice. And look at the box. I feel like the box is something that I could actually use. I usually do keep the boxes from Birchbox, and I use them to put some makeup items like inside. I'm also going to be walking with you so you can see, if you're interested, how you could actually subscribe and how you could select the perfumes for you, or let them pick one for you as well. To replace inner bottle, so it comes with a container where you could replace a fragrance that you want. And I really like this because I always have perfume in my purse, and I have it in a little Ziploc bag because they do tend to kind of like, I don't know why, like come out. So I think this is perfect for me to take it on the go and on my purse. So I got two fragrances, two bottles, and I like it that they sent it to me. One of them has purple, and that's the one I'm grabbing first because that's my favorite color. So I'm gonna try that one out. So you twist, and the fragrance, you could spray it there, but you could lift it up to replace it. And this one is Prada Candy. I haven't tried this one. Oh, it smells so soft. I love perfume. This is like so me. Look how easy that is. I love perfume, so I'm gonna try it out. Have you tried this scent? It's really sweet. It's really soft and sweet. I could picture wearing this during the day. It smells really good. I love this. I really love this, and I'm planning to go on a trip, so this is perfect. This came in a perfect. So I'm gonna try the second one. So let's do the same thing on the second one. And Lanvin Me, made in France. This one smells stronger. So let me use the other card to apply it there, so then I can smell it as well. I feel like they both have like a similar flowery scent to it, but this one is more stronger, which is the Lanvin Me. This one gives me like a softer, it smells really, really good. I like both. And I'm so happy. When you think of subscription boxes, you don't think of scent, I think, or fragrances. But if this is something you like and you want to try that out, I get bored easily, and I like a scent, but there's so many out there where I just continue using the same one. That's just me. I just like to keep on trying something new, something different. And I think this is perfect because you don't have to spend so much money on a fragrance that is high quality, is high end, and you could just keep up with whatever is there that is new. I do like that they have a big selection of fragrances. This company, Luxury Scent Box, and it's truly luxury. The way the box is, the way it comes is very high-end. The way the packaging is, only you know the fragrance that you're spraying. Subscribe or just search if they have your fragrance. Maybe you could just select the fragrance, select the one you want, and they'll send it. Have it. Also, I think it's a good idea for a birthday or a present, especially if you know the fragrance that they do like. You could subscribe, do it for them. They'll send it and ship it to that person, or maybe they'll ship it something that you could try it out for 1 month and see how it works for you. I'm going to be providing all the information in the description box if you're really interested, just to check out the site and know how it works for you. They also send me a code. I'm going to be sharing the code and how much the code is offering, so you can know more about it too in case you're interested, so you don't miss out on that deal. So I've done this unboxing before, you have done this subscription. I want to know more. What is your opinion? So you could leave that in the comments. If you like this video, I'm going to be sharing more information about it in case you're interested on the description box and on this video. So if you did like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.